we are washed. We feel smooth. A little tender, just like last time. So now we've got my Mary Kay Time-Wise nighttime solution, and it is daytime, but I'm putting it on anyway because the vitamin E felt really good last time. It was very soothing. So, hold on, I have to adjust my husband. So we're using it again. And here's the thing, like, in the comments, tell me why people do this. I've been seeing a lot now, lately, where it has become, like, the thing to, like, squirt product right on your face like that, and like that, and like that. When and why did we start doing this? It's so wasteful. Like, so much product is just looping on my face like a money shot. Like, we used to squirt it on the back of our hand and use our finger, and always use this finger because, okay, this is not a sex video, but always use this finger because it's your weakest fingers, these two. And so they're less likely to do any damage to your face. You always want to rub up and out to prevent fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging jowls. But I see a lot of people that are just going to town on their face with creams and serums and stuff and not obeying the up and out rule, and I don't know if that's because the up and out rule is outdated, it's been disproven, and it is just completely useless, or if it's because no one is teaching these poor girls proper skincare. Next, I'm going with my Mary Kay Time-Wise Eye Serum. I am not going to do this and that's why that would have ended up in my eyeball when it squirted like that. Be smart. But instead, squirt it on and then dab it in. And that's supposed to help with the little baggies under my eyes, but I did get woken up at 5 o'clock this morning by a very cute puppy, so bags are probably here to stay for the day. So there we have it. I don't know if this is what they call glass skin, but it is very springy, feels healthy, but there you go. So if you're interested in dermaplaning, try it.